segment sponsored by A+ Carpet and Flooring.
Well, staying in Columbia, if you're looking to design or update any look of your new or old home, A+ Carpet and Flooring has a huge variety to choose from.
That's right, but they don't just offer quality products, they also provide a number of services to keep your home looking its best. Take a look.
What's up, guys? So we're hanging out at A+ Carpet and Flooring, and this is literally like your one-stop shop for everything when it comes to floors and carpets. And joining me today is Eric Rowe, who is the CEO and founder. This place is like monumental because you guys literally do it all. Talk to us a little bit about your business.
So this business, family owned and operated.
That's awesome.
Started this 17 years ago out of my farmhouse, and now we've grown to over 50 members in here. We're the Aladdin dealer for Mohawk and Shaw, which is unusual. Usually you pick a team, and we're the major dealer for both. And we have a huge selection of carpeting,
I can see.
hardwoods,
Awesome.
you name it, we got it.
That's awesome.
And what makes us unique, we don't just sell and install carpets or flooring, we also maintain with truck-mounted steam cleaning systems for carpet and upholstery cleaning. We also do water damage restoration, and everything that you see in here is very unique, very beautiful products. We have everything from builder's grades up to exclusive grades like Kane and Stanton. So we have it all right here.
That's amazing. And speaking of products, you guys sell like the best carpets in the business. Talk to us about that.
We got them. So the two big manufacturers, Mohawk and Shaw, we're the Aladdin dealer for both. Actually, for 2016, we are the Mid-Atlantic regional winner for Mohawk 5-star color center. So that was a great honor to win that one. We carry a massive amounts of carpets.
I can see. I feel like I'm in carpet world.
You know, sometimes it can get so confusing because there's so much, but it's great to have a strong selection like this. Mohawk, we have everything from the silk racks to you name it, we have it. Also, other brands like Masaland, Dixie, and then we have Shaw. Shaw is a major manufacturer owned by Warren Buffett, and we're the Aladdin dealer for them too.
It's such a huge variety here. Talk to us about the different services that you offer.
So the different services that we offer, we don't just offer the carpeting, we also clean it. We do full maintenance.
Did you guys hear that? They clean the carpet?
We clean the carpet. So this is great because in order to keep carpet in full warranty, you have to have it cleaned by an IICRC certified cleaner, and that's us. We're certified, we have truck mount systems, we come to you, one-stop shop. We make it really easy for you.
That's what I'm talking about. If our viewers want to find more information, where can they go? Contact information?
Contact us at www.apluscarpet.com. Call us directly, 410-418-9888. The best thing is our carpet cleaning prices have not changed in a decade and a half.
I'll take that.